Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Please tell us something about your work experience.
I worked before sales lady in Philippines, 5 years, SM North EDSA, and cooking, 2 years canteen, and cleaning, house cleaning, babysitting, and ironing.
Okay, and right now, may I know the status of your visa?
Tourist visa,
When it is expired?
December 24.
And how much salary are you looking for?
Any, any,
Will you accept a salary ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 dirhams?
okay.
And how would you describe your own personality?
I'm very humble and friendly, loving, and honest, and very patient person.
And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is cooking,
And what is your specialty in cooking?
chicken, inasal,
And then,
and pasta.
okay, and what are your future goals?
So many plans,
Like,
like work here,
okay, are you married or single?
single
Do you have
mother,
any kids?
one only.
And who will take care of your child while you're here in Dubai?
My mother.
Okay, I will now ask you questions about different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay?
Okay.
If the baby won't stop crying, what will you do?
I'm playing with the baby for stop crying.
Okay, and how do you know if the baby got sick?
I know the baby got it when the baby is crying, the temperature is hot.
Okay, and what will you do if the baby got sick and the employer is not in the house?
I call the employer and
Okay,
tell them
how about cleaning the house? Which area do you usually start working in?
I start working in the bathroom, then the living room, the the rooms.
Okay, and why do you think you should be hired?
They think that I'm very ano, uh, nice person.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.